Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, May 24th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things you'll see in the Family Weekly. Today, from 5 to 5:45, all virtual pre-K scholars, please arrive to turn in your technology. That means your tablet, your stylus, your chargers, and anything, your MiFis if you have them. Also, scholars, today is pre-K's Certificate of Completion ceremony. That'll be from 6 to 7 o'clock in the gym. So make sure it's only the scholar plus 2 guests. Masks need to be worn at all times. We can't wait to see you there. On Tuesday will be Kinder graduation ceremony from 5 to 5:45. Please come and virtual scholars and turn in your tablet, chargers, MiFis, and your stylist. And then that ceremony will also be from 6 to 7 in the gym. And then on Wednesday is our 5th grade graduation ceremony. Again, 4:45 to 5:45 will be our technology drop-off in front of the gym. And then from 6 to 7 is our 5th grade ceremony. Again, same restrictions for all 3 of the ceremonies. Scholar plus 2 guests. So we can't wait to see you all there. We're going to have an amazing week. It is out of dress week, last week of school. Jeans and spirit shirt, or jeans and a college shirt, or jeans and your IDEA polo. So we are so excited. We'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!